Hello, good morning. Here from the Ontario Science Centre on our weekend birthday, actually our 50th birthday celebration. So today, September 28th, and tomorrow, Sunday the 29th, general admission to the Science Centre is free, and we have all these people helping us celebrate our 50th birthday.
Hello, so apparently it's the 50th anniversary of the Ontario Science Centre, and it's free admission, which is so awesome. Honey, what do you think about the place? Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Are you going to have fun today?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have lots of fun. Everyone should come down.
I think it's great because we wanted to come for the summer to bring our kids to the Science Center, and we didn't have a chance. We came today because of this, and it celebrates what's in Ontario, and it brings people together.
It's amazing. I haven't been here in so long, and the fact that it's free and I'm able to come with my daughter is amazing.
So we are excited to come here and look at all the around new experiments what they have. We come with our newborn kid. She's like a 2.5-year kid. She's experimenting each and everything what they have here. So we are looking at all the future innovation things and the mind games and what we are going to have in the new future.
Today's celebration is great. It's very good for families, especially for young kids, and we have enjoyed our time a lot. And there are a lot of activities which is going on, and we feel that these kind of things, bring the community together.
We're having a great fortune to be here in the Science Center and enjoying with the kids. Amazing. We have been before. This is second time with the kids grown up. Such amazing.
We're here celebrating its 50th anniversary. Excited to be here. We are hoping to find a lot of educational things. We're excited. We're going to start from the 6th floor and work our way up. It's very busy. It's exciting. Everybody here seems really excited to be here.
So we've been very busy over the last 5 years, showing how we can get science closer to the public. So this is our campaign. You can see it: ask, test, repeat. So this is the scientific method simplified. It's important to ask questions, test them, and then try again to make sure you got it right. And so we think that everybody can be a scientist. And so the plans to going forward is to be closer to our community, see what are the issues that are important to you, and have these conversations about them at the Science Center, because there's a lot of changes in science and technology that is affecting all of our lives. So we want to be a place where we can have these conversations in a safe environment with no agenda other than trying to make our lives better for the future.
I really loved today's experience, just being able to come to the Science Center. I remember coming here as a child and having the ability to actually interact with things that I wasn't necessarily sure about at that time. Now, being much older, having that experience again as a 27-year-old, it's definitely something that I like to treasure and hold in my mind for the future. Hopefully, I can bring my kids here when they're old enough, or when I have kids, I should say.
So I really liked the Ontario Science Centre. It was really fun, and I experienced a lot of new things.
They have cool projects and science. I really like how there are stuff that I've never seen before. I like the center, and it's really interesting.
And all kids should come down.
And all kids should come down because it's really fun.
Me and my sister are gonna go check out the big screen playing Pac-Man.
The Ontario Science Museum is really fun, and it's a good opportunity for younger kids that want to go and learn about more science and technology.
I think it's fun because there's a lot of things to do in Science Center and you get to learn lots of things. And yeah, it is a big opportunity for kids.
It is perfect, totally perfect, and would like to see some more experiment about the Earth, planet, extra. The kids are interested about the bacteria, very good knowledge.
And we are yet to see a couple of new more items. I hope we are going to see all the good things which will experiment the future things and all other things.
Oh, so far so good, right? Do you like it?
Yes.
How about you?
I love it.
You love it?
It's really fun.
Oh, so far so good. The kids like it. I like it.
We've welcomed over 53 million people to the Ontario Science Centre. This is an iconic landmark of Ontario, and we're very happy to share our birthday with a community that has supported us over these 50 years. See you at the Science Centre.
We want to wish the Ontario Science Centre lots of luck and a big thank you for having such an awesome event. There's a huge turnout today, so much to see and so much to do. We saw some cool things, right, honey?
Yeah.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Thank you so much.
It's a good experience for the kids to play today, and they enjoy it a lot. Yeah. Happy birthday!
It's a great event for our community, and we wish Ontario Science Centre a very happy anniversary. And I hope that in coming years we get to see more celebrations like this.
I wish the Science Center a happy 50th anniversary. It definitely is a great experience for young children to come and have the ability just to interact with different environments, different people, also have a great experience.
We want to wish the Ontario Science Centre a happy 50 years, and we are looking forward to another 50 more. Fantastic place for the kids. It's a beautiful opportunity to see all the kids learn science and be introduced to a lot of many scientific things for the first time. Congratulations and a happy 50 more.
I just wish everyone here that has a good time and enjoys learning about science.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.